using this serum from The Ordinary. This is the niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. One of the things I really love about this specific formula is that it has this very thick feel to it, but it's still lightweight. So it feels very luxurious applying it, but it has such a lightweight feel once it's on. I love it. I decided for today I'm actually going to use this contour stick under my foundation. So let's put this on. And I went in with a much heavier hand than I usually would. For a very subtle glow, I'll be using the Tower 28 tinted sunscreen. If you haven't checked this out yet, I highly recommend it. I was actually debating on going back and maybe getting a few different shades. Sometimes I have a natural spray tan for the beach. Sometimes I'll have a really dark tan if competing in a dance competition. It all kind of depends on what's going on. And also I feel like for an everyday look, I could probably go 1 or 2 shades lighter than this one. But again, we're going for a really beachy spring break glow. I love this one because it's a tinted sunscreen. So I just feel like it makes sense to use this one for a beach day if I want more coverage than just skincare and sunscreen. Also, this brush is incredible. It applies makeup so well. I literally cannot get enough of this brush. I'll link it for you. It's sold in a set. The makeup that the brand also has is quite phenomenal, I would say. I have a setting powder here. I just want to specifically set under my eyes. I want to use an under eye brightener. I'm sure you've heard me talk about it before. But when I have a really long day ahead of me, I'm trying to figure out the best setting routine because sometimes it does crease under my eyes. Not on light makeup days or on days where I'm not as active, but on active days when I'm really out and about and I have a lot going on, I did notice that it creases a bit. So I'm on a mission. This is the under eye brightener I told you about. A little bit goes a long way. I really just want to go in, especially where I know I have dark circles. So this time to set it, I'm going to take this setting spray. I saw a makeup artist do this. I need to search it because I don't remember who it was, but they took the setting spray. They sprayed it on their beauty blender. They took the powder, the setting powder, and applied it. Up next for brows, I'm going to brush them into place. I'm using a matte lip color today, so I'm going to start prepping with a little lip balm. This one does add a little tint in. This is by Catrice Cosmetics. I think it's like $6. I will link as much as possible for you in the video description, by the way. I decided I'm going to go with all milk makeup for the blush and contour. This is the Glimmer Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. I don't know. It's like a very sheer color. It's just really pretty. I like it a lot. And simply for no other reason other than I've been on the Sabrina Carpenter vibe lately, I'm going to use a powder as well. I'm going to apply this lip liner. This is Mocha by Anastasia Beverly Hills. For mascara, I love this by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is such a bold color, but it also makes my lashes very long. I love Kylie Cosmetics lip products. This is the shade Cocoa K. Let's put it on. I'm going back to this setting spray. This is the Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. My last step is with Dibs Beauty. I don't know that I could do a makeup look without involving them in some way. This is so pretty. It's the shade Italian Soda. I totally knew that. I don't know why I had to just look at that. It's a really pretty pink. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is the final look. As always, I will link as many of these products as possible for you in the video description. Subscribe for more.